Hey, and welcome to my video. If you're new here, welcome, and if you're a returning supporter, thank you. I am super excited about today's video. I haven't said anything, but I have been looking for a new camera because the one I've been using, it's a Canon T3i. It's a very old model. I've probably had it for a good, maybe a good 8 years. So I'm more than ready to upgrade my camera. And I've really been looking at the Canon M50, and that's kind of what I had my heart set on. The camera has all around great reviews, and the pricing was not that bad, right? Well, today I'm here to tell you that I got a Sony A6400, y'all. I didn't get this. My husband surprised me with this camera. And guys, I haven't even been looking at this camera at all. I haven't looked at any reviews until he bought it because like I said, I had my heart set on the Canon M50. And that's kind of what I, was going for. But guys, when I tell you that my husband upgraded me for real, like for real, this is an upgrade. This is a real upgrade. Even the reviews that I've seen, everyone's saying this is better than the Canon M50. I don't know, guys, because I have the Canon T3i. I wouldn't be able to tell you that, but I will tell you from the reviews, that's what everyone's saying. So if I have any camera experts out there, let me know. What do you think? Do you think the M50 is better, or do you think the Sony A6400 is better? Anyway, so today I want to unbox this bad boy and bring you along for the unboxing, something I'm super excited about. I've really been struggling with the quality of my videos lately. My Canon doesn't really focus, so you probably see me manually focusing the lens to get good, clearer shots of certain things that I'm showing you in my videos. So yeah, I've been struggling. Your girl has been struggling, and I didn't really want to get another camera, but I did, and I was just kind of taking my time with it. But hey, I guess the camera came to me and I wasn't even expecting it. So got my new camera. If you'd like to see me unbox this camera, keep watching the video. But first, don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so that you're notified every time that I post a video. Alright guys, let's get to unboxing this beauty right here. Guys, I'm excited. I'm so excited because y'all don't even know the struggle I've gone through using this older model camera. And guys, I'm in no way ungrateful for this camera because I bought it with my hard-earned money in the beginning of my YouTube journey. But it's definitely time for a new camera. I'm ready to step up the quality of my videos. Not only that, but I really want to use the camera for family photos and things like that. So onto the camera. This is the Sony A6400. It comes with an 18 to 35 millimeter lens. I'm going to go ahead and open it and show you what's inside the box. Quick disclaimer, I did open it before the video because I wanted to see what was inside. I also wanted to charge the camera so that it's ready for this video, but I went ahead and put everything back in the box because I wanted you to see, how everything is packaged and see what's inside the box. So at the very top of the box, you see what looks like the guide, bunch of pamphlets, guide. One thing that I noticed this camera does not come with is a user guide book, which most cameras I believe do come with that. This one does not. Oh, okay. So it says about the manual for this camera. This guide describes the necessary preparations to start using the product, basic operations, etc. For details, refer to the help guide web manual. Okay, so I was wondering why this did not come with a booklet or pamphlet, like a manual on how to use the camera, but there is an online manual that you can go to for this camera, which is great. So that's awesome. Saving paper, saving paper. You get a whole list of lenses and accessories that you can purchase for the camera. What is this? Looks like pamphlets in other languages. And your limited time warranty certificate. And you get a reference guide. So this is a quick reference guide that tells you, how to set up your camera, how to charge it, yada yada yada. So let's move on to the good stuff. Alright, so inside the box is the lens. So here is the 18 to 135 millimeter lens, guys. And then you have your, I guess it's a lens cover. So that's that. So you get a strap as well. A strap for the camera. All right. You get your USB cord for charging the camera. You have the AC adapter. Here is the battery and the, looks like the cover for the shutter lens. So that's that. And the camera itself, y'all. So here is the camera. Look at this beauty, y'all. Look at this beauty. It is beautiful. So I am going to go ahead and turn the camera on. I'm going to put the battery in and turn the camera on so that you can see the quality of the camera. Just kind of get a good feel of how good the camera actually works. So let's go ahead and set this baby up. I'm going to start by removing the cover here and attaching the lens. Alright, so you got to pair the dots. There's two white dots. It's a white dot here and then there's a white dot right there. And you just basically have to line the dots up and then turn the lens to attach it to the camera till you hear a click sound, and voila, your camera lens is attached. Take the cover off. Go ahead and put the battery in. So there is a compartment at the bottom for the battery. So the same place you put the battery is the same place the memory card goes into as well. There's a little slot on the side for the memory card. Battery's in. Now I have to find the memory card. And it's in there. So here is the on and off switch. On, y'all. It's on, it's on, it's on. Alright, it says preparing image database file, please wait. This is such an upgrade for me. You can really just see. It's just so clear. I don't know if you're gonna be able to see on this camera, but everything is so clear. I haven't adjusted any of the camera settings, so this is the camera factory settings on the camera, and already it's just looking 100 times better than what I am used to. So yeah, that's what that looks like, y'all. So what I like about this camera too is it does have a flip up screen. My Canon T3i has a flip out screen, so it flips out on the side, whereas this one flips up to the top like this. And I think I'm doing this right. Oh. All right. So, there it is, this beauty. Y'all, I'm so excited. I cannot wait to start using this camera so I can really give you some good quality footage, give you some good quality content, guys. I can't wait to use the camera for photography. Like I said, I really want to take great pictures of the family and really get some good use of this camera. I really want to learn how to use it because, like I said, first time messing with this camera. I'm not exactly sure how to work it, but I cannot wait to learn and get right into using this thing. So that's what that looks like. I want to do a side-by-side so you can see the difference in the quality of the camera. Put it on movie mode. And the record button is, see if I can find it. Okay, so the record button is right here. So I'm gonna go ahead and record. Alright. Alright guys, so I am now recording. Okay, so I can tell you now, my Canon is right under the ring light. This, for some reason, I'm not getting any good, I'm not seeing good lighting. I don't know. So the Canon is right under the lighting, or right in the center of the light ring, the ring light. And I do always have to adjust the settings on the Canon just a little bit to make me brighter. I may have to do that with this camera too, but guys, look how it's just so clear, so clear. And if I get closer, it's automatically adjusting. This one, not so much. Get close, it gets kind of blurry. All right, if I get an object, let me show you. Lip gloss. So if I get an object, see how it's hard to see, it does not focus. You can get close, you have to get really, really far. So guys, if I do that here, so I'm so used to the viewfinder being on the right side, so sometimes you'll see me looking to the right. This one's at the top, so now you're gonna see me looking up, which I don't know what's worse. I got my Natural Hair Magic apparel on, guys. Make sure you check that out. So I turned the lighting up on this side, so let me, aha, okay. It's not bright enough for me. This one's too bright. Like, I love the brightness of my Canon. This one's much more clear, but it's not as bright. So yeah, that's what we're going to be doing. I'm going to try to learn the camera and just really get a feel for how to work it, guys. I do want to give you guys some more comparisons just so that you can see the quality change in the videos, but hopefully you'll be able to see that in my future videos. But really just wanted to share with you. Let me know down below, what camera do you use to shoot your videos? Are you a Sony? Are you a Canon? Are you a Nikon person? Because I know I was really just kind of a Canon person, only because my first real camera was a Canon, and it's just a great quality camera. I have nothing bad to say about a Canon. So I was always very iffy about a Sony. So hopefully this is a good camera. I can't wait to start to use it and really give you good quality content. Guys, let me know down below, what do you use to film your videos? What is your favorite type of camera? Do you prefer the AS400 or the M50? Which one do you think is a better camera? Based on reviews, guys, I'm gonna go with the Sony AS400. It's not just because I have one, but because that's what the reviews I've been watching have been saying. I'm gonna see if this is actually as good of a camera as they say it is. Alright guys, so that's it. I really hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure you like it because it helps my algorithm. I just wanted to plug my store really quick, guys. If you haven't had a chance to go visit, make sure you go visit www.naturalsbesttees.com, where you can get your Natural Hair Magic hoodies. You can get your Natural Hair Magic tote bags. Just basically, it is apparel and accessory that shows your natural hair love, natural hair pride, a way for you to express your natural. So make sure you go check out Naturals Best Tees. You can also find us on Instagram at Naturals Best Tees. Make sure you go follow us. All right, guys.